I'm intrigued by the whole entire situation that is SlutBox. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I posted this on my story and a lot of you guys were like, oh my god, yes, we want to know what's in the Amber Rose SlutBox. I'm getting very engaged on Instagram, so you definitely want to make sure that you are following me on Instagram because that's how you're going to know what's coming next on the channel. Like, don't you want to be ahead of the curve? Come on. I just got it in the mail. I was so curious once I saw that mother had uploaded a Instagram photo of her having this SlutBox, and I'm like, what the heck could Amber Rose possibly be putting in SlutBox? Like, I know, she has very good fashion sense. She's very feminist. She stands up for women's rights, sexually. I'm just wondering, curious, what exactly is in this Amber Rose SlutBox? You guys are wondering the same thing because you clicked this video. So let's go ahead and get this box open. I haven't even opened it, so this is gonna be a first impression. First of all, I want to say that it was about roughly $30 for the box. I signed up with the first batch of orders, so I was able to get, I think it was like a coupon or something like that. It renews just like my BoxyCharm box or my Ipsy Glam bag. When the box came to me, I was a little bit upset because it has some damage, and I'm gonna try to insert a video clip in here so you guys can see exactly what I mean by the damage, because I was a little concerned. So I picked it up from my P.O. box and I asked them if it was a problem on their end or if the package had came to them like that, and they assured me that the package came to them like that. I don't know if all the items are in this box per se, so we're gonna have to just go off of what we have. I got my trusty scissors. Be careful with these. The SlutBox. That's so dope! Look, like, I think that's so cute, like how she has these different influential figures inside the packaging of the box. Got Sade here. Okay, Am. We got some titties out here on this box. Like, I'm here for it. Enough of that. Let's get into this box. Ew. First, there's this SlutBox magazine. You guys. Oh my god. I don't know what just happened, but I'm looking at the back of this magazine and there's like some kind of lube splooge or something. I don't know if you guys can see that. Do y'all see that? What is that? What is this? But it says stay slutty with a big like stain next to it. That's freaking weird. Dive in and enjoy, slut. Some horoscopes, how to give a compliment, share with your sluts. Okay. My sluts are watching. Hey gang. Let's read what Amber Rose's overall message is for the SlutBox, because I think that's good to know, right? This is the SlutBox manifesto. So it says here, we are here to celebrate and uplift ourselves, our sisters, not just our sisters. Hateful language, racism, sexism, homophobia, ableism, fat shaming, transphobia, or any other bigotry will not be tolerated. No experience is required. You don't have to be an activist. You don't have to have ever attended a march or a protest. SlutBox isn't about what you're not. It's about every diverse thing that you are and everything that makes you different and unique and sexy. SlutBox is inclusive. I think that's a good little manifesto. Go ahead, Am. Everybody knows Amber Rose for the slut walk that she does every year, and I think that that is just so badass that she is somebody who can use her voice for a greater good and speak out on women's right, and not just women's right, but all different types of communities that are affected by hateful actions and words by people. I'm like trying so hard not to touch the back of this book. There's no telling like what spilled in here. Like, I'm scared. So let's get our facts straight about the SlutBox. It says we're about inclusivity, sex positivity and health, intersectionality, ending rape culture, and diversity. Now, what the SlutBox is not about, what they're against, is sexual and gendered violence, victim blaming, derogatory labels, gender inequality, and racism. I personally have experienced some of these as far as like victim blaming and gender inequality, just to name a few. So I'm like really into the whole Amber Rose slut walk movement. That's why I purchased the box. Inside my SlutBox, let's see. Ooh, so I've got some condoms. There's 3 condoms. Retail $10 value. This is by Lalo. These must be the condoms. 350 hexagons cover the condom surface. It has subtle grooves on the internal structure, and it's a thinner latex panel contained within the network. It says do not use oil-based lubricants with these condoms. So you want to make sure that you're using silicone-based lube whenever you're using these kind of condoms. For those of you with allergies, it is a natural rubber latex condom. Here's a whole tip about this condom. If you're not using a condom for penetrative sex, you can create a dental dam by cutting the tip off the condom with a pair of clean scissors and then splitting one side. And voila, a makeshift dental dam. See? Now, if you didn't have a SlutBox, would you have known that? Because I didn't know that you could make dental dam out of a condom. Like, that's some innovative shit. Thank you, Amber. Thank you. We sluts appreciate these kind of hoe tips. There's also some lipo lotion lifting cream, $60 value. A slut tip for that. The delicate skin below the jawline is extreme prone to premature aging.
The lifting cream is infused with marine extracts and nutrient-rich minerals to promote collagen and elastin production in the skin.
So you can use any kind of lipolytic cream to decrease the aging around the neck. Okay. You guys gotta pull out the little clear safety tab. Dead ass though. Do y'all hear that? $2 off a pair of pasties. Now I have stars tattooed on my areolas, so I don't really care for pasties, but I think that's pretty dope. These are the pasties, and look you guys, they're stars. So it would literally be like putting a star on top of a star if I put this on my nipple. Like, it's not gonna work for me. So I think I figured out what actually burst in my box was actually the intimate wash. So that's interesting, because usually they put like a protective steel underneath the cap. Gentle and pH balanced formula, Swedish intimate skincare, jasmine pear. It smells good. If you guys want to know if it works for me, I have really sensitive skin, so I'm a little bit concerned as to whether this will work for me, but it says it's hypoallergenic, so we're gonna have to see. And there's also a t-shirt. You can see through this t-shirt. This is like, what in the Hanes is going on here? And it's got this purple confetti that came on it. I am a slut of the people, for the people, by the people. Y'all, I needed to be wearing this shirt during my review. Ooh, I got a Lip Slut lipstick. The Fuck Trump one. You know, I've been wanting to get that one, but your girl has yet to do so. It's a liquid matte lipstick, and it's a cute color too. Like, it's a neutral nude color, so you can't go wrong. I'll do a swatch so you guys can see. Just a nice cute little nude color. There's also some arousal gel oil. Oh my gosh, and it's pina colada flavor. I love pina colada. It's warming, never sticky or tacky. Blow on it to get it warm and then lick and kiss it off. Let me try this out. Some more skin cream, some Japanese Yubi, original Japanese formula tested on Mount Everest. Hydrate and soothe rough, dry skin from head to toe. Okay, I'm gonna try and see how moisturizing is this lotion, like, because obviously Amber must like it if she put it in the box, right? So mother, what's going on? Oh, y'all, that is so thick and creamy on my hand. Oh my goodness, this is moisturizing, and it kind of smells medicinal, like it'd be like in your grandmother's cupboard. It kind of has like a Vicks Vapor Rub kind of smell to it. I don't know what that's all about, but this is very moisturizing on my hands though. Like, wow. The only thing is, you know those really moisturizing lotions that kind of make your hands feel wet afterwards? I kind of have that same feeling with this. Like, my hands, like, they look really moisturized, but they feel kind of wet after. You know, do you guys know what I'm saying? Oh wait, this is the banana pudding lip treatment. I got lip gloss on right now, you know, Fenty Beauty. I got a little moisturizer, and it's water based. I like silicone based formulas. I'm not too big on water based. Like, for example, how I was explaining to you guys about the Lelo condoms. Don't use oil based lubricants. But this is a moisturizer though, it's not a lube. So this being water based is okay for me. But now if it was like a lube, I need silicone all day. This is not a lotion. This is a personal moisturizer. Used to enhance the enjoyment and comfort of intimate activities. A long-lasting water-based formula that supplements your natural moisture. It also nourishes with aloe vera, making it ideal for any situation you desire. Glycerin-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free. It is safe and satisfying addition to any sensual experience. Okay, so this is going to be like good for the girls who need just a little oomph. If you know it's just a little discomfort down there, a little bit drier than normal, then it looks like this is going to be the one for you. I would suggest just drinking yourself a lot of water. I mean, it works for me, but if you need this, this is going to be for you. And then she gives a nice little ode to the sluts of history. Like, we've got some notable sluts out here. Mother done put Queen Bee up in here. Child, wish I had some Stevenson. What are you bringing to the revolution is how she ends it though. And it looks like there's some games in here. There's also a horoscope. I'm a Gemini, so let me see what my horoscope is. Emphasis on the whore. The Slut Walk this year is going to be on October 6th. Yo, that would be so freaking dope. That's on a bucket list of mine. One of these days, I'm going to make it to one of the Slut Walks, and hopefully sooner than later. If you guys have ever been to a Slut Walk, comment down any crazy or just cool badass experiences that you have while attending the Slut Walk. Also gives you instructions on how to give a compliment, because you know, some of you bitches can learn from that because y'all don't know how to either take a compliment or give a compliment. Amber, next month, can we talk about how to accept a compliment? Because a lot of these hoes out here don't know how to take one either. Just a thought. It's just a thought. If you guys want me to do like a follow-up on my box and let you know like how these products actually work, like if they worked for me or not, let me know in the comments down below. Because I know myself personally, I can't speak for everybody, but my partner and I drop about $250 every month at the sex store. Like, that's just the type of stuff that we be on. Now I don't understand, like my boyfriend told me to wait until I was around him to open this box. And then when I told him that I wasn't gonna open this box until I was in front of a camera because my followers wanted to know what was in it, he was like, let's just say he was less than enthused, okay? And that's going to wrap up my Amber Rose SlutBox review. Overall, am I impressed? Hell motherfucking yeah, I'm impressed. I got exactly what I thought I was gonna get in this box. Amber really started off with a bang. I was hoping that there was gonna be like some kind of like vibrator or something in there, but I mean, I'll take a vibrating cream. There was some vibration going on in there in the situation, but overall I just think that the SlutBox movement in itself is just another step in the right direction towards, you know, women being comfortable with themselves and owning who they are and their sexuality included. So I am all for the SlutBox. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment anything that you thought was interesting or anything that you thought was not interesting. Don't be too negative though, because we ain't got time for negative Nancy's out here. I hope to see you guys in my future videos. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram to be in the know on what it is that we're going to be talking about next. Like, that's how I figure out what it is to produce for you guys. I'm going to stop talking and try out these products. That was really cheesy.